I'm Ellen the Crazy Crafty Lady here with another awesome video. Thought I'd show you how some of this screen works and how some of these stitches work. First one is where you can go from the thinnest stitch to this one, which is the thickest of the line stitches. And it's and the stitches are fast too. And then you can just do a snip off. So very easy. Get a thin line or a thicker line. And then you can also do all different kinds of fun stitches, from the straight stitches to, let's say you want to do like a number 11, which is a zigzag stitch. We can do a number 11 and you can get a real fancy zigzag stitch. Very nicely done there. We can also do different things, like you got buttonholes and different things like that. All kinds of fun stuff that you can change to, or we can do a mode change. Let's change the mode to number 2. Let's do the mode to number 2, and let's try number 80, which is a car stitch. My grandson will love that. It is the car. You can sit here and just go like this, and it will make cars as you sit here. It will make cars all the way down the thing. It is very cool to sit here and make cars. And we'll stop it here and see if it's how much more we further gotta make the car. And let's cut that off and see what we have. And we have a row of cars. Very cool done. And this is some of the stitching that you can do on the eXcellence 730 Pro. From a basic line to a zigzag to a car. How cool is that? Well, folks, this is another awesome quick video showing you on how some of this works. Thanks for watching my video.